Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel flavorsalt.com. Today, we're diving into the vibrant world of Thai cuisine because I'm going to show you how to whip up a killer dish that's sure to spice up your weeknight meals. Spicy Thai Basil Chicken, or as the locals call it, Pad Crapo Gai. It's all about that tender chicken stir-fry with bold flavors like garlic and fresh Thai basil. And oh, let's not forget the chili. If you're a fan of spicy food, this dish will become your new obsession. Alright, here's what you're gonna need. First things first, let's prep our sauce. Take a bowl, add oyster sauce, soy sauce, fish sauce, sugar, and water. Now mix it well, and let those flavors marry for about a minute. Now take a pan, add oil and heat it. Now add ground chicken. Break it up and stir until it's cooked through. You want it golden and crispy in some parts. Add onion slices if you like it. Now add garlic paste in it and Thai chilies also. Mix it all together. Wow, that smells amazing already. Saute this for about 30 seconds until fragrant. Don't burn it, or you'll ruin the dish. Now, for the grand finale, throw in those fragrant basil leaves. Stir it all together until the basil wilts down, which should only take about 30 seconds. And there you have it, guys. Spicy Thai Basil Chicken. You can serve it with rice. Just look at those colors. If you loved this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell so you never miss a delicious dish from my kitchen. Thanks for cooking with me today. I'll see you next time. And remember, keep it spicy.